Want to personalize your Samsung Galaxy phone with your favorite song? Instead of using the default ringtone, you can easily set any music file as your incoming call ringtone in just a few minutes. Whether it's your favorite song, a custom audio clip, or a downloaded MP3, Samsung's built-in ringtone settings make the process simple and quick. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration, then select Ringtone. If your phone has two SIM cards installed, you'll first be asked to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2, depending on which ringtone you'd like to customize. Next, tap the plus icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. If this is your first time adding a custom ringtone, Samsung may ask for permission to access your audio files. Simply tap Allow so the sound picker can search the music stored on your device. Now, browse through your available songs using the tracks, folders, or search options until you find the song you want. Tap the song to select it. Before saving, you'll notice an optional feature called Play Selected Highlights Only. When enabled, Samsung automatically selects the most energetic or recognizable part of the song, usually the chorus. So your ringtone starts at the best section instead of the beginning. You can leave this option on or turn it off if you prefer the song to play from the start. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, tap Done in the top right corner. Your selected song will immediately become your new ringtone for the chosen SIM card. Enjoy your new ringtone. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.